Okay, just gonna do a startup on this truck. Turn the key on. And then turn the fuel pump and the fuel injection on. Let that boot up. It fires right up. Got that air ride system right there. I got it just air down, sitting down right now. I'm also going to get some pictures underneath so you can see what it looks like underneath. Lots of potential. Just needs a little bit to get it over the finish line. Truck is running and driving just the way it is. Runs good, shifts good. Air ride works great.